In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gift card to PayPal. First, make sure you're signed into your PayPal account in a web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard. This is your account summary page, where you can see your balance, recent activity, and any cards or bank accounts you've already linked. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct account before you continue. From this dashboard, look along the top or near the menu and click on Wallet. The Wallet section is where PayPal stores all your payment methods, including bank accounts, debit cards, credit cards, and eligible gift cards that work like prepaid cards. Opening the wallet lets you manage everything in one place. Inside the wallet, find and click the option that says Link a Card or Bank. This is the button you use anytime you want to connect a new payment method to your PayPal account. Since we're working with a gift card that functions like a card, that's the option we'll start with. Next, choose Link a Credit Card. Even though it's a gift card, PayPal treats many branded gift cards just like regular credit or debit cards, as long as they have a card number, an expiration date, and a security code on the back. Go ahead and click that option to open the card details form. Now you'll see a field for the card number. Carefully click into that box and type in the full number printed on the front of your gift card. Take your time and double check the digits, because any mistake here can cause the card to be declined or not recognized correctly. Under that, click into the expiration date field and enter the month and year printed on the card. This tells PayPal how long the card is valid. Again, make sure it matches exactly what's on the card. Next, move to the CVV or security code field. This is usually a 3-digit number on the back of the card. Type that in as well. This step helps verify that you physically have the card and adds an extra layer of security. Below the card details, you'll see a billing address drop-down or entry area. Click the drop-down and select the billing address that matches your gift card, or the address associated with the card issuer if it's required. The address needs to match what the card expects for successful verification. Once all the information is filled out and you've checked it over, click on Link Card. PayPal will process the details, and if everything is correct, your gift card